Hajrah view.
Hajrah, what's this? Who got this? The postman?
Yeah.
It's a parcel. What's in the parcel, I wonder?
It's my sewing machine! My sewing machine! Sewing machine is ready! Ah! Sewing machine is pink.
What are you going to make with the sewing machine, Hajrah?
I'm gonna make some Khadijah's top. Her green top is broken, so might fix
How did it break?
Like when I wear it, and there was a hole here.
But how did they get a hole? How did it get a hole there?
When my arm's big.
Did you make the hole?
Yeah.
Did you break it?
Yeah.
And now you're going to fix it?
Yes, I'm young.
And you can make a handbag. Mommy will help you make a handbag for you, okay? To match with your dress. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You open the box then?
Okay. But I don't know how to open it.
Yeah.
My sewing machine!
Let's see what else comes with it. A tin with it.
Ting! And a little charge. Wow! Yeah! Wow, it's got everything in there. Oh, and there's a key.
There's a key. No, you know what that's for? That's for putting thread through the needle.
Needle.
Yeah.
Hajrah,
There's a sewing machine needle, a normal needle, and then there's pins as well.
Hajrah.
Got loads of stuff in there.
I do like to press. Can I do it on my feet?
Yeah, when you sew, you do it with your feet.
Hello, my name is Hajrah Alim, and today I'm gonna do some sewing. Remember my sewing machine? Now I have these two books, and one is the dinosaur, one is the dog. And which one should I choose? I think the dinosaur.
You choose the dinosaur?
Mhm.
You can do the dog next time then. Do you want to open it?
Mhm. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. 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 What is this?
I don't know. We'll see what it is when we put it together.
Okay. And now we have to read the instructions. Oh look, there's pictures. I can do coloring later. And there's a word search. I can do that later.
Yeah, we'll do that later together. We have to first do cutting.
Yes.
So it's an actual sock. I'm putting this on top of this. Okay, Hajrah? And then where these lines are, that's where I'm going to do the cutting. Okay? So, snip. Snip. Yeah? We need another sock. Here it is.
What do we need this one for?
This one, it says mouth here. That's the body. And that's the tail. This one is going to be front legs. These two. Head.
Head.
They're going to be the back legs.
The back legs.
Yeah.
Ready?
Well,
Mommy, are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Mommy, are you looking at the lines?
Yeah, I am. There you go. Then I need back legs here.
Okay.
Don't mix them.
Okay.
You already mixed them. This one I need to cut from the middle now.
Cut in the middle?
So it just goes around like this. Let's hope this comes out good. I need the body and the mouth. That's the mouth. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay, all of the stuff's inside. Okay. These are all of the stuffies in there. Stuffies in there. Stuffs are coming. Mommy, are they your stuffies?
Yeah, they're the stuffing. It's going to go inside.
Yes, stuffing.
What color should this be?
Should be this color. The mouth can be red.
The mouth is red, isn't it?
Yeah, so then it's gonna be red color. We already did all of the cuttings.
On here, to cut 12 of these, they're the teeth. Yeah, here it says 12. I only cut 8. 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. That's enough, right?
No,
Why?
because you need to do 12.
But it's too many. It's going to take a long time.
But how can the dinosaur eat?
I'm sure he can eat with 4 teeth on the top and 4 teeth on the bottom. Okay? We'll just do it with that. We need your sewing machine. Okay, the pedal is underneath you so you can step on it. There's a button there for the light.
This one?
Yeah, there you go. The thread just broke. Hold on, let me fix that.
I'm not sure we could make a dinosaur
Why not?
because I don't think we can. It's too hard.
It's not. Mummy's here. Mummy will help you.
Okay.
Okay? Here. You need to turn this inside out and sew the tail. Yeah, put it down. No, sew. Go on.
So?
With your legs. Go on, press it.
Mommy, you say legs and I will press this. And you say stop and I will stop, okay?
Okay. Legs. I didn't say stop.
Please don't break, please don't break.
It's not gonna break. Go on, start again. Legs.
Okay.
Stop. Stop. Go on. Stop. That's good. This was really good. Turn this inside out. And then you're going to put the stuffing inside.
It's so soft.
Is it? Okay, here.
One.
Put some more in.
Okay.
Fill it up all.
Okay. That's a big stuffing. It's going in here. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Get big stuffing, not a little bit. Like that.
That's super big.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, go and put that in. Can you manage?
I can.
I'm sure you can manage.
Yeah. Don't. I can't fit it in. soft.
Okay, let's just carry on putting it in and then we can see how soft it is.
It's so gonna be soft. Now we just have to sew this bit. Now it's gonna be finished. All of the stuffing. Like a cotton candy.
Yeah, it is actually. It's like cotton candy. But you can't eat those.
Yeah.
Just don't accidentally eat it.
Yeah. This is stuffing.
Yeah, go and put it in.
Yeah. The big one is going on. Now how can we tie it?
I have to hand stitch this. I'll do that bit. You're not going to be able to do the hand stitch.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to do back legs.
This is so soft and cuddly.
Yeah, it is. It is, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
This is what we're going to do. Put it on. Now do it. Legs. Now this one.
He's so fluffy. Go watch. Go watch.
Go on.
Okay. Yeah, say legs.
Oh, sorry, legs. Right, stop. Turn it inside out.
Turn inside out.
Put this in here. Come on.
Okay. Let's go.
Go on, legs. Go on. Alright. Wow, it actually worked. I thought it was going to be too fat.
Right here. I know it can stick.
Come on, legs.
Okay.
Stop. Gonna put stuffing in this leg now.
Okay. Where's the stuffy? Stuffy. I just got the big one. But that's so small. I couldn't even do it.
It is so big. As much goes in.
The legs are going to be big, Mom. It's going to go pop.
But it needs to have strong legs, or how is it going to hold his body up?
Oh.
See? That's actually good. Now I can hold his body up. Alright, get some more.
Okay.
Wow, that's too big. What did you for? Just because I managed to put the other one in, I can put that in. Can you manage? Should I put it in?
Yes.
Or do you want to do it?
You put it in. So it can be strong, strong forever.
These are the legs now. Now we're going to do the arms, okay?
We got the body ready and the legs ready. Now we need to put the legs on the body, like this.
Yeah. So this, we have to hand stitch it, Hajrah. So Mommy can hand stitch those on and you can get the hands ready, right? So these are the hands, okay? I turned it inside out. It was like this. Turn the inside out. So we're going to stitch along here, okay? So I did one of them. I didn't stitch it on there yet. You're going to stitch it. I drew some black lines on it. So it'll be easy for you because I want you to do it without my help. Do you think you can do it without my help?
Maybe.
Okay, I think you can. So just follow the black line, okay? Put the light on.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Right, go on then. Do it. Well done. Okay, you can put it down.
Okay.
That one. Go on. Good job, Hajrah. Now we're going to put stuffing in those again.
Yes. I knew it.
Right.
Time to scissors up.
I'm going to turn this inside out.
Yippee.
Now you're going to put stuffing on this one.
Hey,
There's the stuffing again.
Okay, let me do this one. How about this little?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, cute. That might be easy. It's easy, Bob.
Good. Is that enough stuffing, do you think?
Okay, let me. It's all the way to the end. I think I need more. I did it.
Good. So I need to attach these to the body. So Hajrah, you know the hands and the legs we did before? You stuffed it in. I have to hand stitch it and attach it to the body. So I put this inside like this, like that. Can you see? And then Mommy's gonna hand stitch it. Like that. Okay. So this is done. So I attached the 2 legs on the body and 1 hand. So now I'm going to attach this hand here. I'm going to do the same stitch that I just did right now. I attach it on there. Turn it on. Yeah.
And I did this.
So Hajrah did this earlier. She just put teeth on and she just went around. And this as well. So Hajrah, you are going to sew along here. You need to look along here, okay? And then around here. Put that down. Okay, press your pedal. Sew along here, okay? Do this bit now. Go around, yeah? So, let's... Go on. Go on. Next one, I'm going to put this on the other one. Right. Again, Hajrah, we're going to go here and then here, okay? So the straight bit you do on your own and the round bit, Mummy will help you because it is a little bit hard, isn't it?
Open. I opened it, but why is it not open? Oh, there it is.
It is open. You opened it. It's just I was getting the needle out. On there. Stop. Alright, now we're going to start going round. Yeah?
Right
Go on.
here. Okay.
Alright, stop. Lift that.
Why is it not?
Right, so now we attach this on the head and this on the mouth. So I think they're both gonna join somehow like this. So on the instruction it says, Hajrah, to turn this inside out and sew along round bit. Okay? I'll put it in for you. That one. Okay, so carry on. Wow, that's really good, Hajrah. Look at that. That's really good.
Cut that bit.
Out again. Look at that. He's gonna bite you with his 4 teeth. Alright.
There.
Hajrah. So on this little piece, it's telling you to put stuffing in. So you can only put a little bit in, not much. And then I have to hand stitch this bit again. Just maybe that much would do.
That's too big.
Is it?
Yeah.
Squash it in.
Stop.
I'm going to hand stitch it so it'll stretch and it'll go like this. Yeah, that's going to be the bottom one. And then it's going to attach like this. The rest of it is going to be hand stitch. So we're not going to need your machine anymore. We won't need this anymore. You can put the light off. You know where to put it off, yeah? Yeah. Alright, so attach this. Now you can do the fun part. Putting more stuffing in there.
Yay! Fun time. Fun time.
Yeah.
Itchy. That's too much.
It's okay. Actually, you can put a lot of it in there.
Chom yum.
Come on. And on the body, while you put stuffing in, I'll show them how we're going to do the body. So we're going to put this here. Have to hand stitch it as well, everything.
And more stuffing. Stuffing. Oh. More stuffing. I mean, the head to be big because it's so this is gonna go right here and this is gonna go right here.
Yeah, but on the other side though, it's the wrong way round. Okay, stop laughing like that. You're so cute, Hajrah. Okay, come on, put more stuffing in. Make it a fat head.
So I'm screwing it in the ball. So easy. That's a big stuff. I don't think I can manage.
You can manage. I think you can manage.
I can't because watch. It's not going in.
Right, let me try.
The head is big.
That does not look like dinosaur head to me. Looks really weird. The mouth bit is really small, that's why.
Now we can put the eyes and the nose.
Yes, I put loads of stuffing in the mouth part to make it big.
Chomp, chomp,
And
chomp,
let's put more.
chomp. Mommy, let me hold these, okay? So they don't get lost.
They won't get lost. Make sure.
Okay. I will not.
Alright, now does it look like a... Alright, we'll do the dog better, yeah? When we do the dog.
Because this
This
dinosaur
was the first time we did this, so... You know,
is getting
it's
bad.
not perfect.
Yes, not perfect.
Right. This is supposed to be bigger than this bit.
It's not big enough.
How about now? The eye's gonna go there and the nostrils are gonna go there. You putting in your nose? Okay. Okay, Hajrah. So I've hand stitched it. Yeah? And... Oh, what's this? So, Hajrah, do you know what the head looks like? It doesn't look like a dinosaur head. It looks like, you know, those eating plant in Mario. Do you remember? It actually looks like that, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Following the instruction was not very good. But I think I can fix this. I probably won't need the bottom bit. I could just use the head. I'm going to open it up and fix it again. And when we do the dog, then I can show them how it looks like after I do it my way, not following the instructions. But it's all right, right? What do you think?
Cool, but the head doesn't look the same.
Yeah, it doesn't look like that. But maybe when we fix it, it will look better than what it does right now. Yeah, but we'll try again. Yeah, we'll take it off and do it again. Okay.
I loved sewing with my mommy, and I love doing the project. I can't wait to do the other project with my mommy. Thank you for watching Hajrah's View. Please like and subscribe.